My name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. On this video, I'm going to do a page-by-page walkthrough of my 2023 Divine Life Planner. Yes, I am so excited about this planner, and I can't wait to show you. So, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the 2023 Divine Life and Home Planner. As you can see, it is a 6x9 soft cover planner. And the front page is glossy. I love it. I love the burgundy and then also the gold. When you open it up, you just have like this standard page. It says, what it is. This sheet actually shows you how to use the page. It gives you information about what's in the various sections. And then also the Facebook group that I mentioned before. It's like a private Facebook group for anyone who purchases this planner. So section 1 is where you would list your important information, who the planner belongs to, and password trackers. Now, since this is a home and life planner, some of the passwords I would put here would be like your electricity, password to pay the electricity bill online, maybe your water bill, things like that. And then some of the important contacts, this could be, your plumber, your electrician, maybe your babysitter, or just some of the important things for your home and life. Now, throughout the book, you will see various quotes and positive affirmations. This one is a quote from Jennifer Jones. It says, prioritize and plan your projects. So that's, one of the purpose of this planner, because you're trying to prioritize and plan your home and your life. Now, section 2 are your goal sheets. So this breaks down what a SMART goal is. Now, a SMART goal has 5 different sections. It has to be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. So you will use these sheets to identify your 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months goals. And then you also have some yearly goals on this sheet. So these goals can be personal, they can be business, they can be financial, basically whatever the goals you want them to be. So this just gives you plenty of space to annotate for those SMART goals. Section 3 is the home strategies. So in keeping our home organized, we want to make sure that we're cleaning it on a good schedule. So this just kind of breaks down some of the things that we should do daily, weekly, and monthly. And then for daily, we have our morning tasks and our evening tasks. And then weekly, we have things that we should do each day of the week. Monthly, things that we should do each month. Now, of course, these are just samples. These are what I use or I try to use, but be flexible. If you want to rearrange some things, you definitely can, but this information is here for you. You also have your seasonal cleaning schedule. So these are things that you need to do seasonally, such as replacing fire alarm batteries and flipping your mattress, changing your air filters. And then you have your yearly cleaning schedules. These are things that you're going to do each month, each year. So if you get this planner and you join the private Facebook group, we will go through and have different reminders and different strategies of things that we're going to do throughout the year. Now you have your monthly decluttering schedule. So things that you should declutter each month. And then you have the 2023 Weekly Home Declutter Challenge. Now this is really fun. Definitely be creative with this. And this just is a way that each week it tells you something to do. And in that Facebook group, we'll say, week 1, we're going to do our email inbox clean. We're going to go through our email inbox and just get rid of old emails that are no longer of use for us. And then we'll discuss that whole progress in the Facebook group. Okay. Our next quote, focus on being productive instead of busy. This is by Tim Ferriss. Now, section 4, we're going to look at our year at a glance. So there are a few year at a glance sheets that we would like to discuss. The first one is a dated calendar. So say, for example, you want to know what day February 1st falls on in 2023. All you have to do is go here and see it's a Wednesday. And then you have a blank sheet for the year at a glance. So this is where if you want to write down like your kids' spring break, it's the first week of April or whatever, then you can just write, April, whatever through whatever spring break, and then you'll know what that is. So this is where you can just write down that information. Birthdays. This is where you would just write like your birthdays for your family and friends, or even anniversaries. It says birthdays, but it can actually be birthdays and anniversaries. Now this sheet is the bill checklist. So you would write all of your bills here, the ones that you would pay once a month, and then as you pay them, you would just check them off. Okay, our next quote is from Walt Disney himself. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So section 5 is basically our last section. This is where we get into the actual planning part. So this is a 2023 monthly and weekly calendar, and it includes the monthly budget, evaluation, and weekly meal planner. Another quote from lifestyle influencer Maddie James. She says, if you want to change the world, you must first change the time you wake up. So our month, we have a month on 2 pages. We have our section for monthly goals, a section for to-dos, and a note section. So this is where you would write down your appointments or just various things. You can say, date night could be January 7th, but then when you get to the weekly page, you can actually write down what movie you want to see or what reservation you have at a restaurant. This is the budget page. So this is where you put your sources of income and your expenses, and also however much money you were able to save. So the meal planning sheets, there's one sheet for each month, and you must plan for your snacks as well. So I always say, you want to plan your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. That way, when you're going grocery shopping, you actually know what all you need to purchase. So it's one for each week. So this is what the weekly planner looks like. So you have 3 different sections and they're blank. So you can actually put whatever you want in it. You can make it morning, afternoon, evening. You can make it personal, business, kids. However you want to use this, I wanted to have the flexibility so you can customize it for the way you want. Now, at the end of each day, there are 3 lines. So those 3 lines could be your top 3 to do things. It could be, maybe your social media posts, like your kids' homework schedule, whatever. So basically, you can just do however you want. Now, the Saturday and Sunday are half pages, or half sections. So hopefully your Saturday and Sunday are not as busy as the other days. So at the end of each month, you have a monthly evaluation. So in your evaluation, you ask yourself, did you accomplish your goal? What was one thing you did great in? What was one thing you need to improve? Any type of in-progress projects, projects completed, and then also money saved. And then you have a page or 2 for various notes. So that's how the planner looks each month. And then once you get to the end of the year, there's a section or a page with my information. So it has about the author and information about me. And since you're watching this on YouTube, I'm hoping you are a YouTube subscriber, or you at least have my YouTube channel. But if not, all of my links and everything are right here. And if you want to join the weekly email newsletter, it gives you information right here. It says text DEOD to 22828. And that is it. That is the planner itself. Like I said, I'm so happy and excited about how this planner turned out. This has been a labor of love. If you are interested in this planner, you can purchase it on my website. You can purchase it on Amazon, or you can purchase it on Etsy. If you do purchase it anywhere, I would love for you to leave a review, especially Amazon. That way Amazon can, promote it and push it to people that are looking for a planner for 2023. So thank you so very much for watching this video. Please check out the planner. And if you have any questions, leave it below. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.